Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. So first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I did upload a video yesterday going over all the new coupon glitches. We do have freebies plus overages. We also have a little glitch going on with our paper products. Plus we have the P&G spin coupons, which I will have an update on those coming up here shortly. So make sure that y'all stick around and stay tuned. Now in this video, we are going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list. So if you are new to penny shopping, please remember that the #1 rule of penny shopping is that we do not ask the employees about penny shopping, penny items, penny sales, etc., etc. Now we have a lot to talk about in this video, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into our new clearance markdowns. And as most of you all have guessed already, our Christmas categories will be dropping down to 10 cents starting on Tuesday, January the 30th. So all of those categories are scrolling across your screen. It does include the Christmas seasonal, apparel, socks, pet, candy, baking, our picnic, party and stationery, air care, and then we also have one gift set that is included. Take a look at a few crazy couponers Christmas hauls. So I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Dee, Savannah, Alicia, and Heather for sending in these pictures. They found some fantastic items. Check out those Thin Mints and those little sippy cups. Also, here's some older pennies, but don't forget about your floral items and the Pampers swim diapers. Those are still a penny right now at Dollar General. Here's a few pictures of my haul. I tried to kind of break it up into categories so that you guys could see the items a little bit better, but be on the lookout for those food items. I just found a whole box of the M&Ms, so look high, look low, look everywhere you go. And now we're going to take a look at a few more hidden clearance items that the employees are overlooking. Check out these little baskets right here. Guys, don't forget about your floral sections, the regular section in your stores, and I really want you all to look up and down those NCI aisles where they have all the plates and the bowls and the cups and the mugs, because I'm finding really good stuff in there, hidden right in plain sight. All you have to do is know what you're looking for. Which brings me to my next point, and that is in all of my videos, you are going to find new information. I haven't been reusing pictures or slides or anything like that. So last week, I believe I uploaded a total of 3 or 4 hidden clearance and penny videos. So if you missed out on any of those, you're going to see them scroll across your screen here in just a second. If you missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go back and check out those videos. They're all going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment right down below this video, because in every video there's new information, new hidden clearance items. We talked about penny items, surprise pennies, old pennies, the harvest reset, penny stragglers. So there's just tons of information in last week's videos. So if you've missed out on them, make sure that you go back and check them out. Now also, while we're taking a look at all of these different ribbons here, I do want to mention that a lot of people were finding penny ribbon. I'm sure these are probably older pennies from last year, but again, scan, scan, scan. It never hurts to scan and double check. All right, now here in just a second, you guys are going to see the thumbnails for each of those videos that I uploaded last week. So if you see something that you don't recognize, you don't remember watching, make sure that you check out the pinned comment down below and go and watch that video. But I want to go ahead and take this minute and apologize that this video is getting out a little bit later than I would like for it to. I used to upload the penny list on Mondays, but I've been trying to move that over into Saturday just so that you guys have that information while you're out shopping your 5 off 25s. But unfortunately, this week with the funeral and family stopping by and the whole thing, plus the weather was horrible yesterday, so I was not able to get up to my storage unit to get some more visuals for you all. But today is the day. I ran up there this morning in the cold and it started snowing on me while I was up there. I pulled all of those items out and I did get visuals for our flip-flops, which are pinning out on Tuesday, January the 30th. So here's the full list. The UPCs on these are going to vary, and there might be some different ones out there because they do change according to the sizes, but what you want to be on the lookout for are the ones with the tags with the little beachy theme, or these display boxes with the beachy theme, okay? Some of these are normally priced at $1. Some of them are $2.50. You guys are going to see the tags in this little video here. These are all flip-flops that were getting thrown out in the dumpster. Can y'all believe that? We're going to talk about dumpster diving at Dollar General in another video, but for now, let's go ahead and just take a look at all of these flip-flops. They range in size from little bitty baby toddler flip-flops all the way up to men's sizes. I know a lot of stores have put these in the back for the Christmas season. However, a lot of stores are starting to bring out those summer items. So even if you spot these in a couple of weeks, make sure that you scan before you go up to the register. There's going to be a lot of different UPC codes. There are other patterns out there that you guys are not going to see in this video, but hopefully this will give you kind of a general idea. Like some of these little kids flip-flops do have the little back on them, as you guys can see in this video, but there's just a huge range of these flip-flops out there. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go. And again, these will be 1 penny starting on Tuesday, January the 30th. Now, I did scan all the different sizes and all the different colors and patterns that are in this tote, and all of them are included except for these lime green ladies flip-flops. So the ones that have the tags that look like this, they're blue with the little water droplets, those are excluded. Those are not included in this markdown, and those are still regular full price at $1. But as far as everything else goes, everything else that you're seeing here, all the different patterns, the different sizes, all of those are included. Now, y'all know I love you, so I stayed a few extra minutes out in the cold, and I did take pictures of all of the different flip-flops that I have that are included and following this markdown. So here at the end, you guys are going to see individual screenshots with the tags and the UPCs. Again, the UPCs can vary depending on the sizes, but you all will notice that every single tag is that beach theme. So you want to be on the lookout for the beach theme and the yellow dot on the tag. And if you're ever in doubt, scan. Make sure that you have your correct store location set and scan the item before you go up to the register. I recommend you do that anyway, just to be on the safe side. Now, before I let you all go, I do want to thank you all so much for all of your kind words, your support, your condolences for my family. Thank you all so much. It really does mean the absolute world. You have no idea. I cannot thank you enough. So thank you. And that is going to be it for me for now. But like I said before, I do have an update on our P&G spin deals coming up for you all next. So make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very soon. And before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.